Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and my mom got this Delta In2ition. I don't know, I think she bought it, but they sent us a new one because Delta's awesome as a replacement. It's a great company to buy stuff from. One broke and they sent us a new one, so we like them. So we bought this as a replacement and we had it for like a year or two now. So we're gonna pop this inside for her. Because I'm going to take this one for my rental property that she has, and she's going to take this brand new one. Hers is only, like I said, like a year and a half old maybe, so it's pretty new, and it's a pretty decent one, better than the one that was there. The other one they had was all moldy and gross. So this is the one that they have. This is the one that we got right here. I'm going to pop over in my house. I'll soak that with some vinegar and Dawn. Come out really clean and nice. We'll pop this up. My mom never had leaks or any problems, so we should be good, and they should be happy with that. So yeah, let's see how this one sprays out so you guys can see the difference and see if you like this one. That's a really cool little light that I got. Runs on D batteries that I bought for her. So that's kind of the spray pattern right there of what she has that you guys can see. Like I said, this is a Delta as well. I'll go through just like, maybe 3 or 4. It has that. So, yeah, pretty much that's what it has, and that's it, okay? So, alright. So, let's get this taken down. We're going to get that taken down. We're going to get this installed. Let's uninstall that one first, and then we'll do the... let's uninstall it first, because this is a whole install and an unbox. You're right. We'll do the unbox first. Sorry, I'm all messed up. I just, my back hurts. They gave me Percocet and morphine because I'm like, my back is, I'm like dying over here. So Delta, this is what it has, blah, 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 3 times the coverage. There's a little magnet on here, so you're definitely paying for that with the packaging, but it's cool anyway. There's what it says. Hopefully you could see 2-in-1. You should be able to see that on my camera. 2-in-1. It's a 2-in-1 shower coverage. 3 times the coverage. A shower hood stays in put because it is magnetic. This, like I said, this is a pretty good one. This one I think was like $90, $89.99 I think it was. So it has 5 spray settings, is what you could see right here. I don't know. I only use 1 or 2. I don't know about you. 72-inch stainless steel hose, which is really cool. Extra wide spray, and installs in minutes, and it's guaranteed for life. Like I said, Delta's great. This is all the stuff on the back, so I should know how to install this pretty quickly, but I'm just showing you. Alright, so let's open this up and see what we get. Okay, so this is, 1/2 inch right here. So that's it for that. Like I said, they said 72 inches, so you know what that looks like. The grommets are in there already. Gaskets, grommets, washers, O-rings, whatever you want to call them. So they're not going to need these bags, but I would always keep the box, just in case they want the picture of the box, ship it back. I have a warranty. I know companies that want you to have the box, so just saying. Installation instructions, which, I'm not going to read, but you guys should read them anyway. This is kind of what it says. I don't know, backflow protection if you need it. I don't think we're going to need it with our pressure here, and that's kind of how it's set up. It looks really, really simple. So we're going to take it apart, set this up. All right, comes out of this little plastic thing. Yep, put this plastic thing over here. This pulls out. Here's the back right here. It's the magnetic part that goes on. Here's I think, where you change it from each one. Feels pretty sturdy. Feels pretty good. I like it. I like it. Clicks really nice. There's the filter in there, or the screen, you could say, and then there's another washer in there. This thing feels really tight, which is good. Sometimes you got to tighten this up if you move it around a lot, but let's see what happens with my mom's. By the time I put this on, you can ask me questions about it, and I'll know probably about 2 weeks more advance, because by the time I get this video on, it's usually 2 weeks to 4 weeks. So anyway, it says Delta right here, 2.5 gallon per minute. Okay, that's what it says right there. A112.18.1M. Okay, take the rest out. Here's the sprayer right here. Here's another, you press this in, I guess, to turn it. Yeah. So you press this in to turn it, and then you turn it like that. There you go. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 different settings. I don't know what they are. I don't use all the settings anyway, so if you really want to know, like I said, you'll see what I'm going to go through. But this says 2.5 gallon as well. Oh, the button clicks out and in, so it it doesn't lock it. I don't know what the button is for. We'll check what the button is for. I have no idea what that button is for. We'll learn all about it in a second. I think that's it, and that's all I'm going to have. So let's get this box all back together, stick it in the room before she gets here. Okay, let's put this in the room. I don't need the instructions, like I said. Stick this in the room. Oh, I'm going to head it to the camera. Oops. Oh, well, whatever. Oh, God damn it. Ow! Alright, hopefully that's tight enough. It feels very tight. Let's see if it leaks. We'll try it out. But it feels like really nice and tight. Maybe I'll give it a little snug with this, maybe. Like a little tiny turn. Make myself feel a little cool. Let me see. I think that's as tight as it's going to go. Alright, let's not do it any tighter than that. Only plastic. Well, okay. As long as it don't leak, I don't care how tight it is. I'm just saying I don't want to leak. Alright, ready guys? Let's stick it in, see how easy it is to put in. It's supposed to be like a magnetic, I think, or something. I don't know. I mean, it is magnetic. Look, it sticks and it comes right out, but I think it also clicks in. Yeah, I think it also clicks in. So let's turn this thing on from afar. You guys are going to see what it looks like. Make sure there's no leaks. Okay. So I don't see any leaks. Looks good. Looks really good. No leaks. So it's just coming around the outside right now. So we're going to do this little lever that we saw on the side. So now just the middle comes out. And that's it. Alright? And that's that one. So let's flip this. I don't know what's going on with this. Nothing ain't coming out of this. I'm all confused. Let's turn this one. Alright, I guess you can only use one or the other. You can't use them at the same time. I didn't know that, but whatever. So you can't use them at the same time. That's how to turn it off. That's how to turn it on. So it comes in the middle like that. Like that. Like that. And I think there's one more. And then there's the combo. So, I mean, I don't know. She'll see what she likes. It seems okay. Not as cool as I thought, you know what I mean? But the quality is there, which is good. The quality is there, and it'll help you shower. You know it's going to last you a while. It feels really good with quality. I just thought there was going to be more features because they keep cutting down the water level of how much you can use, so it's kind of annoying. Alright guys, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. I'm out. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community. Just like I get help from the community. So guys, I appreciate everything. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.